Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used Audi vehicle. Introducing the 2022 model Audi Q5 Edition 1 Quattro S tronic that is fresh in stock and does come complemented in the modernised and vibrant ultra blue metallic paintwork, really contrasting well with those advanced features. It does come complete with your TDI engine, meaning it is the ideal spacious upgrade for those wanting to cover extra miles. Alongside your auto transmission and being ULEZ compliant, you do also have plenty of features including enhanced visibility with your LED headlights, power folding wing mirrors and your stylish 20-inch alloys with your red brake calipers. You do even have your parking sensors and 360 camera system, alongside an electronic powered tailgate, revealing more than enough space to accommodate your travel needs. Step into luxury with a full nappa leather trim, with a pull-down armrest and integrated cup holders, alongside access to your 3-zone climate for further comfort. Moving into your front, you do have electronic seat adjustments to get into that required position with ease, followed by your 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel with access to your virtual cockpit and central touch display. Again, your 2 front seats do house that modernised edge with an S-embroidered full leather trim. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel that does even come with a heated function for the winter, alongside your options to navigate around your virtual cockpit, displaying your vital driving data, full view of your built-in navigation, and even your adaptive cruise and speed limiter to assist out on the open road. Moving across, you do have similar access with your variation of radio stations, Bluetooth connection and your built-in navigation. For enhanced performance, you do also have access to your Audi Drive Select. This does come complete with your comfort, efficiency and even your off-road, so you can be prepared for any situation, alongside further safety with your driving assist, including your active lane assist as well. You do also have your parking sensors alongside a 360 camera view to guide you into those tighter spots. This is followed just below by your 3-zone climate control, ensuring you can have a desired temperature with your 2 front heated seats for the winter, followed by your 2 cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. So for any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.